Now let's focus on the keywords field. I'm going to expand this.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
And as you see, if you know your keywords, you can enter or paste your keywords, one word or phrase per line right here. Just write them on one per line. And if you want to get ideas, you have a couple of options. You can enter your website. For example, I'll enter my website and I'll press enter, and it takes out keywords from here. And if you like, you can add these keywords. You see how it gets populated right here. But also there's another way. And Google provides actually the tool, a Google keyword tool, and you click on the wrench, and you might want to do this in a different browser tab so that you don't lose your current ad setup. So assuming you're in a different browser tab, you go to tools and you go to keyword planner. And in my case, I'm going to leave, but in your case, don't leave, obviously. In your case, just get a new browser tab. And when this keyword planner loads, what you can do is you can go and find new keywords. So that's exactly what we're going to do. And we're going to say business plan, just because that's the example we've been using throughout. And the example is arbitrary. Whatever your subject matter is, you just enter that here. And you can see, oh, business plan. Oh, business plan template. Interesting. People are searching for business plan template, business proposal. That's a little bit of a vague term, but look at the tremendous volume of the search. Business plan example. Okay, business plan format, the new business plan. So there's a lot of variations for this term, or people are like looking for a restaurant business plan. So business plans for specific businesses, and some weird phrasing like making a business plan, online business plan, small business plan. So you get the idea, and you just basically enter that into the keywords field, and that's it. That field is pretty straightforward. The only thing that's challenging is, of course, getting the right keywords. If you have keywords that you're not sure about, exclude them. Just only go for the very accurate keywords that are sure to bring you clients who are your potential great leads.